Hi students, this video is about define styles for list. So in our previous video, if you remember that we have worked with the creation of list in the Word document, we have included the list with the main list, and then it has a sub list as well. Now I'm going to apply different kind of list styles by creating the style first. So as they have mentioned here, add the content of the file advice.rtf before the paragraph that starts temperature, create, store, and temperature. So I need to move back to my document which I have saved in 14C. So we'll open that file first. It was here on the desktop. It was 14 COB. It's okay. This is the one. Now here, before the paragraph, as they have mentioned, the temperature, so it means here. So we'll just move here, and then we'll insert the content by using the text from file option, from which file, that is advice.rtf. So we'll get advice.rtf. the contents, you can see they are inserted here. Now I'm going to create a style here by clicking new, click style, and then here is list 1, list, and then style 1, or level 1, sorry, level 1, and then just click on modify. What I need to do in this style, I need to have a serif font, so Times New Roman is best example, and then we have here size of the font 11 point, it is already 11 point, and then we have left indent 1 centimeter. So we need to click here, then we need to click on paragraph, and indentation we just need to click here and type 1 centimeter. Click on OK. So you see here left 1 centimeter. Then we need this one as a numbered list. So format numbering, I'm going to choose this one as a numbered list, and then they ask us to have a single line spacing and before and after 0 spacing. So single line spacing and before and after 0 spacing. Just click on OK, but as I told you earlier, must be 1 centimeter only. That is done, and then after just click on OK. So one style is already created, and you can see the style is applied as well here. I will just click here now and will create now level 2. So list level 2, just click on modify, and then after it must be again level 2 11 point, and 11 point, and indented by 2 centimeter this time. Yes, click on OK. Indentation 2 centimeter. It must be a bullet with an arrow. So with arrow we just need to click here, this one. Yes, look at this one, is 2.63. no, so we need to go to paragraph again, just need to type here 2 centimeter. Click on OK, and then they ask us for single and before and after 0. So line spacing we need to click on paragraph, and before and after 0, and single line spacing. Click on OK, then just click on OK. Once you are done with it, now what you need to do in this document, you need to select your level list level 1. So if you look at this one, this is level 1 list. Scroll down, nothing else. So just apply to it level 1. So it is 1 centimeter indented, and now this one, apply to it level 2. So 2 centimeter indent the bullet. The text is 2.63. it's okay. So this is what we just created the style for our list and we have applied to it. Hope you have learned how to define the styles for level 1 and then for level 2. Subscribe the channel for more videos to understand the contents of IGCSE.